Hey guys, how's it going? So I have an exciting product I think you guys will really like. It really will help with the safety of your vehicle, and it just helps fine tune how you use your dash cam, the quality. It's a really neat little thing that you can pick up here, and it really does improve on something that's already great. So let me go ahead and show you what I just got. I think you guys will really like this one. So this is another great item from Fitcamx. If you know, I installed their dash cam. I love them. They're OEM fit, but they also make this polarizing ring that'll stick on over the lens on the camera itself, and it helps reduce the glare. Because if you know one thing about dash cams is you do get glare since they're so close to the windshield, and it picks up glare from your dashboard. This is fully metal with a polarizing glass lens, and it spins. They have a color on it so you can fine tune the polarization on it once you install it. It really helps cut down the glare, makes it an even crisper picture, and it's designed to go on the Fitcam cameras, but it could probably work with many other dash cams as long as it'll stick, has to stick to a flat surface. If there's enough plastic around it, you could probably use that as well, but it really enhances it. Think of when you get polarized glasses, how much it cuts the glare and improves the clarity. That's what this does. So I want you guys to check. This is the live footage of the dash cam without it on, okay? And I want you to see the glare on the lower part of the window here with the arrow. Okay, that's the temperature sensor that's on your dashboard. And this is always picked up in the image. Almost every single dash cam you will get this, because that's where the glare comes from, the lower part right there, and it gets worse as it gets sunnier. But just look at the glare there, and then I'll have this live feed going and I will put the lens on, the lens cover, and you'll see how much it reduces it. It really does a great job. Like I said, it makes it crisper. Just like if you go and you've tried regular glasses, sunglasses, and then you tried the polarized ones, it does make a huge difference. And this is a neat thing they come out with. So check this out. Okay, so here I'll put the lens on, and it just double-sided tapes to it. It's included. Now look where that was before. You can't see the temperature sensor anymore. It cuts the glare that much, which makes a huge difference on the quality. Now you're just seeing the reflection from the hood. So like I said, if you have a Fitcamx or even a dash cam that has enough plastic around it, I would highly recommend picking one of these up. And then when it's on, you just turn the collar on the outside. You can spin it and you can fine tune the image. You just open the app while it's a live feed and just turn it ever so slightly until you get the look you want. And then here's what it looks like when it's installed. Just goes right over the top of it. I like it too because it's a little bit more noticeable outside, so it adds a little bit of a layer of protection. As far as that security goes, people will notice that there's a camera up there. Like I said, it's a nice feature to have, and it is the best dash cam I've ever used. The image is great. It's easy to use the app to download the footage to it. They have the rear camera as well, so if you want to be covered for the front and the back, they have all that. And you can even add this lens on it too. Like I said, I highly recommend doing it if you haven't already. I'll put a link in the description, guys, and check it out. And I have a promo code that you can use. It'll be in the description as well to save you guys some money. Like I said, it's one of those things I highly recommend everybody having a dash cam, especially in times like today. People, they don't want to pay if they get in accidents. A lot of times there's hit and runs. This will save you. You can zoom in and get the license plate, so you'll be covered, and it just adds a little peace of mind. I would definitely not drive without it. So again, I wanted to bring that to your guys' attention. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it as always, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.